Okay, I'm going to show you how to set up a QR code and a young student login in Moby Max. The idea behind this would be that the students would use a QR code to get to their Moby Max instead of using a shortcut on the iPad. Okay, so I logged in, and right now I'm logged in as Holly, and clicked on personalized learning. And then I have all these options, and I'm going to go to roster. And over here I have a lot of different options, and one of the things on here is young student sign-in settings. And I see that Holly has already done this. Good for you. Okay, so you can go in and turn on the student sign-in, and then create whatever your sign-in page is. It looks like she's got Little Mountain Missisgasca, and then put your name there. You can add a picture, and then you'll see what it looks like.
Welcome. Please click on your name.
So the students would see this when they log in with the QR code, and then they would just click on their name to get to it. Okay, so I'm going to click Save. Holly's already done that. Awesomeness. And okay, so now what I want to do is I'm going to grab that URL right here.
Welcome. Please click on your name.
Okay, so I grabbed that URL, and now I'm going to go to a QR code generator, and the one I use is actually an extension, a Chrome extension. So if you look up here, this little guy right here is my Google URL shortener, which you can find by looking in the extensions, but you can also just go to the website, which is goo.gl, and you paste in the URL. So there we go, and I click shorten URL. And it brings me to that, but what I really want is not that. What I want is the QR code. So I don't know why it's not giving me the option of a QR code. Okay, so I plopped it in here, and I did shorten URL, so now you'll see it here, right here. And if I go over here to the little menu bar, one of my options is QR code, and there's the QR code. And so you can copy this and paste it and do whatever you want with it. So I like to save image as, and then with that code, you can do whatever you want with it. So you could use it to just project in your room, so the kids just point to the projected QR code, and that's how they get there. Or you can print it out, you know, make it as big as you need to and print it out and put it somewhere in the room so the kids can do it. Or they could have little cards at their table with it. So all kinds of options for getting to Moby Max that way. So that is how you do the QR code and get your kids into the quick sign up. So hopefully that'll be easier for your students. Let me know if you have any questions.